What's the deal, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today what I'm doing is nothing that you haven't seen before. I'll throw the link up top to the right. What I'm doing is I'm re-lettering my tires. As I said, this is the way cheaper option than getting tire letters that get dirty and start peeling off and so forth. And all I'm going to be doing today, I'm just going to be doing a quick time lapse of me just lettering it before I go to a meet. So what you're going to need, obviously, your Sharpie markers. I got green, I got white, and this is a secret weapon, guys. Freaking brake clean. If this thing drips or your hand gets dirty, it'll take it off real fast. So definitely keep a dry piece of paper towel and a slightly damp piece of paper towel. Oh, by the way, guys, this right here, this little gadget that I got right here will help you guys out too. See that? It's pretty dope, right? So it's an attachment that you can put on your drill. I'll put all this stuff in the description. You could freaking clean your bathroom with, your tires, whatever the case might be, your exhaust tips, everything like that. You could do that. So when you're washing your car, before you start lettering your tires, definitely use this and definitely clean it off. And let me tell you, man, that tire lettering stays a long time, a really long time. And it's very resistant to all of this stuff too. So listen, man, for $10–15 or whatever, if you're buying multiple pieces of these markers, it's a freaking great investment. So here we go. Alright guys, one of the tires is finished. An easy way to do this is whatever side is above, go around, do everything to the top first. Go, do all 4 tires to the top. Then, as you saw me roll the car back. I pushed the car back just in order to get one tire finished. But do all the tops first, push the car back, and then the bottoms will be at the top or the side, and then you could do that. Look at this green real quick. Look how beautiful that looks. Now guys, when you're doing this, the reason why this takes a long time, you just can't just start coloring stuff in. A lot of the times, because what you're going to see is you're going to end up seeing the stroke of the marker. So what you have to do is, and what takes a lot of time, you actually have to blot it like this. Like you would have to go dot, 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 dot. So you shake it up, let the ink flow, and you'll be blotting it. Boop, 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 keep going to fill up all the pockets. But look, it comes out pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do all 4. I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys, so now we're moving along to the front. Guys, keep in mind the fronts take way more beating than the back. See how some of the stuff is missing right here? It actually took a lot for this to come out. Because remember, if you're making sharp turns and all of that stuff, remember you're steering all the time and the roads aren't even, it's all jacked up. So the fronts do take a bit of a beating, but the beautiful thing about this is you can touch it up whenever you want. And guys, make sure you're doing it in warm weather. Or I remember the first time I made this video, it was freezing, so I was inside of my garage in some heat, but it wasn't all that good. But now it's freaking 73 degrees today, so we'll be good. We'll be all right, so it can cure properly. All right, and let's go. All right, guys, this is the last tire, and as I told you guys before, if you notice, look at this, it's pretty torn up. So what you can do before you start painting the whole thing, blot the sections that you could see the bare tire, blot that with the white, let it dry and come back to it, and then it'll look really nice. All right. Alright guys, there you have it. Everything is done. Look how dope that looks, nice and clean. Guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. As I said, you can't beat this, you know what I mean? For the price, I'm gonna list it in the description. For the price, You can't go wrong. It just takes a little bit of time, and it's oil based, so it doesn't just wash off if you wash your car or something like that. You know what I mean? Since I've done this, it's been over a year. I've touched it up only a couple times, so it's pretty cool. You know what I mean? Look how dope that shit looks. Nice and neat. And let me tell you, it's a lot better than the tire letters, because I've gotten a lot of complaints from guys who are running letters and they're so expensive, you know, $150, $170, and then they start peeling or they get really dirty or whatever. So it is what it is. Anyway, guys, you know what to do. Again, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all soon. Take it easy.